Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday I was absent, I was not available, I was out of station due to some work. So this video is for Monday. I'm not trying to predict a market direction for the next couple of weeks and months. This video is mostly for day traders, okay, because day trading is my forte. So as a result, okay, whatever levels I'll be discussing, okay, those levels are mostly for day traders. So let's get started. So DXY US dollar index is extremely bullish, as we all know, for the last couple of days, and DXY closed at 104.22. So overall we can see that the uptrend on DXY is continuing. For the last couple of days we have seen that the correlation between dollar and gold is not going perfect, but dollar being the most popular currency, it is important for us to know about the movements of dollar. So dollar is bullish and will remain bullish for the next couple of days, and we can see that dollar looks unstoppable. The next resistance on the chart of dollar will be around 105.70 to 105.90. This is the next resistance on DXY, and there's a high chance that DXY will be heading towards this level by next week. Okay, now if we look at the US government bond chart, then bond market is also extremely bullish for the last couple of days. We have already discussed in the previous videos, as a result of which there is a pressure on the chart of gold. And if we look at the chart of US government bonds, then yes, the bond chart is also bullish, and the next level is around 3.908%. You can see that previously this was the level which acted as resistance. So there is a possibility that this level will be acting as the new resistance. Till then, bond market will also remain extremely bullish, and if bond market also remain bullish, obviously there will be pressure on the chart of gold, or we are talking about the sellers or selling pressure on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so if we look at the US government bond chart, US dollar, then all are bullish. So as a result, we should be looking for selling opportunities only on the chart of gold, because gold is under pressure. So let's look at the chart of gold right now. So as you can clearly see that the present trend of gold is towards the downside, which means that sellers are dominating. So the levels that I have marked are the major levels on the chart of gold. First of all, we have 1887 on the chart, and 1887 is quite far away. So as day traders, we don't want 1887 to be on Monday or Tuesday, but still you should mark this level if the downside on gold continues, because if gold starts falling by next week also, then obviously 1887 will come into the scene, which will act as the support. And day for yesterday also we talked about the support of 1936-37, and hopefully you got good profit out of it. So before 1887 we have the next support around 1904 to 1905. This is also a major support on the chart of gold. But the problem with these two supports is that they are far away from the current market price, because gold is standing at 1946. Okay, but these levels are far away, 1904 and 1904-05 and 1887. Okay, so the immediate support, if you're thinking about immediate support, then we do not have any immediate support on the market. Okay, or in simple words, if gold breaks 1936 level, if gold breaks 1936 level, there is a high chance that market will continue the fall and head towards the level of 1905 level. So my dear friends, try to understand my point here. The strong support zones 1887, 1904, 1905 are far away from the current market price, and the immediate support on the chart of gold is around 1936. But 1936 has already done the job. And if we look at the present trend of gold here, then we can clearly see that this market is under the dominance of sellers. Sellers are dominating the market, and we have also seen the chart of dollar and bond, okay, and they are positive. So there is a high chance that gold will break 1936 level. If gold breaks 1936 level, there should be a good selling pressure, and we can hope then market will head towards 1904, 1905 level. If you are a day trader, you can expect a profit of 50, 60, 70 pips. But if you have the patience, then you can be on the trade and you can expect 100, 150 pips. I think that if market breaks this level, market will be heading towards the level of 1904, 1905 level. So if gold breaks 1936 level with good volume, if you see that market is falling with a big red candle, means the market has volume, sellers are present, you can look for a sell position. I'll also sell. And on the other hand, if market shows recovery on Monday after the market opening, where we can look for selling opportunities. As the trend of the market is towards the downside, number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. So yes, we have some immediate resistances. The best resistance on the chart of gold is around 1967. Around 1967 we have the best resistance. 1966, 68, the whole area. Okay, this whole area is the next resistance. Or in simple words, you can expect good selling pressure around this area. So sellers are present. Once market will hit the level, you can expect that market will show price rejection. If market shows price rejection, if you see that market is struggling around 1966, 65, 67 level, you will get the confirmation that sellers are present according to expectation, and you can look for a sell position. Right now I am on the 4 hours time frame, so you don't need to analyze on 4 hours time frame because it is too slow. So it is better to use the 1 hour time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, before 1967 we also have a minor resistance around 1960 and 1957. Okay, this is also a minor resistance zone, or you can see, say that this is also a minor level where sellers are present. Okay, so if market reverses from this area, we can also take a sell position. If you're wondering right now why I'm talking about these levels, let me show you. Okay, first of all, we have used Fibonacci here. If you have been following the channel, you know it very well that the Fibonacci has been working excellently. Okay, so 1936 was the previous support as well as Fibo 50 level, which worked nicely. So if market breaks this level, you can easily see that there is no immediate support. The next immediate support will be around Fibo 61.8, which is 1904-05 level. Okay, and why 1887? 1887 we are considering because of strong price rejection at many days, weeks ago. Okay, so these are the two strong support levels, and as you can see that there is a gap here, nothing there to provide support. And now if you're wondering why we're considering 1967, okay, then here again we have used Fibonacci. We have seen how beautifully Fibonacci worked here. So again we are expecting the Fibo will work. But as traders, we need to be careful. We are traders, not gamblers. That's why I said that you need to get the confirmation first. So here you can see that around 1967 we have the 50 moving average as well as previous price rejection around this area, plus Fibo 23.6% retracement level. So this things makes 1966, 66, 65, this whole area to be a very lucrative seller zone. And we are considering 1960, 57 on the basis of the lower time frame. Okay. That as we have switched to lower time frame here, that's why I told you guys that this level is a minor level. You can see here, this is FIBO on the 15 minutes time frame. Usually I do not prefer to trade on 15 minutes time frame, but here you can see that previous price rejection is there around 1957 58 level. Then we also have FIBO 50 level. So overall I'm thinking that this may work on Monday, especially on Monday if there is not much volatility. In case there is volatility in the market, if you see the market is showing good recovery with big green candles, then obviously you should avoid any sell position around this area. No level is permanent in the market, so as a result getting confirmation is extremely important. Confirmation in the form of price rejection. Okay. So my dear friends, that's all from my side. Hopefully you got my point, and follow proper risk management. Enjoy the weekend, give time to your family, but yes, be careful on Monday. As I always say, do not be a gambler, be a trader. So don't gamble. Bye bye, take care, and follow proper risk management. I can be wrong as well. Okay, bye bye.